guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over a rental property I bought very recently. Now this property is going to be a rental property, therefore I didn't buy it in the best condition it could be. However, what I'm showing you right now is the exact condition I bought it in. As you can see right there, the lovely mossy walls, and overall I'm being a little hard on the property. It actually is in very good condition compared to most properties you're going to buy as rental properties. As you can see right now, the yard is looking quite like a jungle. I actually did go a couple days ago and do a lot of work to this yard. It doesn't look like this anymore, but oh my gosh. I didn't know that you could be so sore from doing yard work until I did the yard work on this yard. I think I spent maybe 10 plus hours doing yard work on this yard. I'm going to be doing a second video on this property once I'm all done and finished with fixing it up, because there is some work to do even though the house was in very good condition. If you didn't see before, actually a funny thing about the yard, it had a shopping cart in it, and I used that for a lot of the yard work to put leaves in and then to move them over to where my truck is, so that was kind of funny. But anyways, you guys just saw the outside, and let's get into the actual house. As we walk in here, you're going to see a rather big family room. I mean, it's pretty big. I didn't expect much for the house I bought, but this is a pretty big family room. You can also see some stuff I've already brought in. Probably should have cleaned that up before I did this video, but I didn't. We're going to continue through the house. This is going to be considered the dining room right here. You also got an extra door, as you just saw. That comes in from that other side of the house. You could see it when I was recording the back side of the house. This is going to be the kitchen. And as you can see, as we go through it, it's in really good condition. I haven't done anything inside to the house yet. This is all just stuff that they did before moving out. And right here we have the bathroom. I'm sure you guys really wanted to see this. But this is the bathroom, has a washer and dryer in it right there to the right. Everything was clean. I was very surprised with the cleaning. We're going to continue back through the kitchen. There's going to be a bedroom on the right side, right as we go through the kitchen, and then through the dining room again. This is a rather small bedroom. It's actually very small. I mean, it could fit one person just fine, but definitely not made for two people. Then coming in on the right here, I passed it right there, but we have the cellar. Now the cellar is, I guess if anyone wants a dungeon in their house, that's what this is. This is gonna have the HVAC in it, and then pretty much look like a jail cell in the 1920s. That's all I can say about that. But I'm gonna hit my head right here. Yep, right there, and it's gonna hurt. If you continue to take a right out of the cellar and then a right through the dining room and then a right through the living room, you're gonna go up to these stairs that lead to the last two bedrooms of the house. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. We're gonna go look at the backyard here real quick. Like I said, a jungle prior to cutting it and fixing it up. Go to your right, it's a closet. I thought it was kind of funny how there was a closet outside of this first bedroom. That's not very convenient, but at least it's on the same floor. And you're gonna walk into the biggest bedroom in the house. I'd say you could probably fit 2 full-size beds in this bedroom. The ceilings are shaped a little weird, but that's all right. Then you're gonna come out of that bedroom. There's the stairs, and we're gonna go into the final bedroom of the house. Once again with the weird ceilings. Not sure, well, I am sure why they put them like that. They just didn't have enough room. But this one's gonna have the closet inside the bedroom, so that's gonna be a definite plus. And then it's gonna be a little smaller, but I'll take it for having the closet inside the bedroom. Get a good look at that triangular ceiling. We're gonna come back outside and we're gonna go down the stairs. Looks like we're gonna make our way out the door. And as you can see, the deck needs a little bit of work. Definitely needs painted. Gonna go down the stairs, and that'll conclude our tour of this property. look forward to more updates on this property, at least another video that shows what it looks like when I'm finished with it. And if you enjoy this type of content, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.